SMEs. We've spoken about this for so many years, and we've heard so many banks, non-banks talk about focusing on lending to SMEs. Firstly, there's no data, so we don't know whether the inclusion on SMEs on that segment has improved or the exclusion has come down. And I really wish there could be some way to analyze data, Dr. Nageshwaran. I'm sure you have more access to that. But to the point of what is driving this exclusion, which we all assume is continuing, it's not lack of will to lend. It is obviously still lack of absorption capacity. We're talking about a new credit model. Is that the answer? Is distribution the answer? I just feel that after many years, we have to now sort of narrow down on where the problem is to try and solve it.
So, Ira, as you mentioned, there are a number of issues that drive this lack of penetration. But the simplest is not enough competition. Look at banks, NBFCs, including ours, including SBI, over the last 6 or 7 years. Look at our balance sheets, look at our P&Ls. Let the one COVID year maybe be put on the side. Everybody has done very well. The selfish answer is, why do we need to do more? Only when MSMEs have 3 banks and NBFCs standing outside to lend to them can we say that there is enough credit available to them. I don't mean enough actual capital being available, but nobody needs to work hard because there is enough other easier ways to lend. Now, the digital stack is making a big difference. ONDC as a marketplace is going to make a big difference. The account aggregator framework released by the government is going to democratize. Actually, other than State Bank of India, everybody else will benefit. They are so big that they may only lose some of their customers there. But by doing these and by encouraging the growth of new banks, new NBFCs, this is how you will see greater credit go into the market. And look at what happened in the retail segment in the last 15 years. Bajaj Finance's success and that of many other NBFCs and the tremendous transformation that an SBI can do on the digital side has only happened because of greater competition and the growth of India's economy, the growth of per capita GDP, so the earning power and the spending power increased, and the digitalization of financial services in India. So what we have seen happening in retail now needs to happen with the SME, MSME sector.